have to remember, the state of Israel is not a Jewish state. It is a criminal state. You may call it a Zionist state, but never call it a Jewish state. To understand, if we are truly concerned for the safety and security of all, it's not a difference of religion. We had differences of religion for the longest time, and Jewish people lived in peace in Palestine. The minority of Jewish people were respected and protected by the majority of Muslims. Why? Because we were brotherly in peace and harmony until this political movement of Zionism came in, misrepresented the Jewish people and destroyed their peace that exists.